Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Worst of Tech. Worst of Tech is a show where we unbox, test and review cheap gadgets that we buy on Amazon. The good ones we keep and we give them away to our viewers, and the bad ones we find some really ridiculous ways of destroying. The show is brought to you by Cognizant Latvia. My name is Kim and I'm the CEO there. Before we get on with unboxing the gadget for today, we are also passionate about really good people. If you are interested in a tech career, then check out the link down here. Look at the open positions and maybe we will find you a new job. But with that said, let's move on to unboxing today's gadget. And today's gadget is a telescope that you should be able to attach to your phone, take some long-range pictures, I guess. The description on Amazon didn't really say a lot, and if you look at the box here, it says more or less nothing. It's just that it's perfect for boating, bird watching, horse racing and hunting, for example. Yeah, I'm curious to see what's in there inside. We have a very short manual. We have some different parts, and as usual I will not read the manual but try to put this together without. It's more like a sport that way. So this is the actual telescope. We have a tripod that I guess should go here. So I will put it on. No, doesn't work like that. So maybe I should have read the manual. So tripod goes there. Smartphones goes here somewhere, like this. Locate this to your camera lens. And then we take these off. Mount it like this. I think something like this, but in order to properly test it, we will move outside where we have a little bit of more distance to cover. Okay, so we are outside and we are about to test the telescope, but before that we need to change clothing because there's only one clothing appropriate for this kind of testing. So probably you cannot really see me in this outfit because I'm camouflaged, but it's still me, Kim from Cognizant, and we're now going to try to take some pictures and see how good this telescope is. So time for verdict, and yeah, as you can see, the quality of the pictures is not really good. It's impossible to hold it steady enough to get good pictures, and the tripod that came with the package was too weak to hold the weight of the telescope. And a good example of bad technology and something that we want to destroy. We will destroy it in an upcoming episode, and if you have a suggestion on how we should destroy it, with what tools or whatever, then write it in the comment section, and we will see if we can implement the way you want.